In this video, I'll show you the settings where you can remove the shipping calculator checkout message on product pages in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, the message is displayed just under your product price, so let's go ahead and remove it. To make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the online store. Then look for your current theme, in my case Horizon, and then select Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on the drop-down, then select Products, Default Product. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand the Product Information section, then under Details, expand the header, and then click on Price. Right in here, look for the Tax Information section, go ahead and deactivate it, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, shipping calculator checkout message has been hidden from the product page. So that's all for this video. Hope you found useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.